Today's motherboard is a newer release from MSI. This is the Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi 2. I want to give special thanks to Centacom for helping us out with a 14700K for this build. The Lexa NM790 4TB drive gives us loads of space. RAM for today's build is the G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB 32GB kit running at 6800 MHz. We want to take this build to the next level with custom water cooling. For our CPU block, we are going with the bitspower Summit M Pro. I'm really excited about the CR360 reservoir. We are going with the MSI Gaming X Slim GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. This is the Neo Echo 1300 GM.